I'm African, black in color. Not so much. I don't have much money, but I have some survive. My hope is to even get more money and be able to get my own girlfriend, support her, support my family. Yeah. So for this video, I just want to talk like that. This is just a me talk. This is the voice you're going to be listening to every time you're listening to my videos. I request you, many of you that watch my video, I don't subscribe, so it would be of very good importance that you subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot. And the other thing is, this is a trick. I'm trying to use this channel, so it's going to teach people, but at the same time, this is another way you can make money, just like me. If you have a smartphone, you don't have to need to have a nice camera. This matters, the microphone. If you can speak, if you can talk, if you're confident on camera, yeah, good, nice, yeah. So that is it. Talk on camera, know how to write, know how to determine what you're good at. Personally, I'm good with I like computer a lot. I like computer, anything about computer, watching movies, solving problems, like say unlocking phones. I don't know much about, but I can research using YouTube. YouTube is my best teacher. I've learned everything in YouTube. I've learned website design using YouTube. I design websites like an expert within 1 year, and I've designed so far, let's say 10, 20 websites. Yeah, very proud of it. Using YouTube. YouTube is my teacher. YouTube is like my pen, teaches me where to go, and here I am creating YouTube videos. Yeah, so subscribe to my channel, and I guess in my next video I'll be showing you a few things. I guess I'll talk first in my few videos, then I'll go back to just showing you the websites that you can use for making small cash, and also we shall be talking about big cash at the same time. So keep tuned, watch the video, subscribe, comment what you want me to talk about, and it'll be good to go. Yes, that is it for today.